Garlic, delicious, healthy, and a must-have in almost every kitchen. Garlic, but did you know that some common mistakes can ruin its benefits or even make it harmful? Stick around, because today, I'll reveal 6 garlic mistakes you should never make. Garlic is a superfood loaded with antioxidants and medicinal properties. But to unlock its full potential, you need to treat it right. Let's dive into the top mistakes, and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, peeling garlic the hard way. Spending forever picking off those stubborn skins? Stop right there. Here's the trick, place the clove under a knife and smash it with the flat side. The skin comes off in seconds. And if you're dealing with a whole bunch, toss the cloves into a jar, shake it like crazy, and voila, the skins fall right off. Easy, right? Mistake number 2, cooking garlic at high heat. Garlic burns super quickly, turning bitter and losing its nutrients. Instead, sauté it on low to medium heat. And add it toward the end of cooking to preserve that delicious flavor and its health benefits. Trust me, your taste buds, and your body, will thank you. Mistake 3, chopping garlic and tossing it straight into the dish. Here's why that's a problem. When you chop garlic, it releases a compound called allicin. That's where garlic gets its health benefits. But allicin needs a few minutes to activate. After chopping or crushing garlic, let it sit for at least 10 minutes before cooking or eating it raw. This simple step boosts its antioxidant power. Amazing, right? Number 4, storing garlic the wrong way. Garlic hates moisture. Don't keep it in the fridge, it'll go bad faster and lose its flavor. Instead, store garlic in a cool, dry place with good air circulation, like a pantry or a garlic keeper. And avoid sealing it in plastic bags, which trap moisture and cause mold. Mistake 5, overdoing it with raw garlic. Yes, raw garlic is a powerhouse of health benefits, but too much can irritate your stomach, cause bad breath, or even lower your blood pressure dangerously. Stick to 1 to 2 cloves a day and always balance it with other foods to avoid discomfort. Mistake 6, using old or poor quality garlic. If your garlic is sprouting, it's past its prime. While it's not harmful, it won't have the same flavor or nutrients. Look for fresh garlic with tight, unbroken skins. And skip the pre-minced stuff in jars, it's often loaded with preservatives and lacks the full flavor and health benefits of fresh garlic. There you have it, 6 garlic mistakes you'll never make again. Treat your garlic right, and it'll reward you with amazing flavor and health benefits. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your fellow garlic lovers. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to use garlic? Until next time, happy cooking!